Anthony's gonna dive in. Oh, nope, she's gonna go wrestle Papa. So we were teaching Anthony how to dive into the swimming pool. And up until this point, she's been diving, but then I turned the video camera on and she decided she's not gonna dive anymore. Anthony, where are you? Where are you to the video camera? Where are you? Huh? Are you hiding? Who you hiding from? Come here, show Mommy how to dive in. Hurry. Okay. Dive into the pillows. That's not how you dive in. Stand up. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, Lord have mercy. That's how she's going to dive in, folks. Even though that's not how we've been, this is not how we've been teaching her. Oh.
Is that how you can dive in? You can dive into the water like that?
No.
She's decided to apply it to the from the bench to the floor instead of from the bench to the bed.
Flipping? Flipping? Goodness.
Hello. What?
Creeps. Mama, Papa.
Don't be flipping.
Flips.
Papa.
Love you. Can you say love you?
Baby.
Love you.